Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates for today. So the first company it is Amazon and the second one is IBM. So we shall quickly see the job rules and the eligibility criteria for both of these companies. So the first company that is Amazon, so the role they are hiring it is for front-end engineer and the salary at the CTC so they are offering is 16 to 24 lakhs per annum and the work location for this is Hyderabad. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so the BE or BTech graduates or ME or MTech, so both the postgraduates as well as the graduates are eligible to apply for this particular role, and like the experienced graduates either 2+ years or 1+year, so they are eligible to apply for this particular role. So coming to the skills or the tech stack which are needed to apply for this role, so the main thing is that you need to have knowledge on various agile software development methodologies like Scrum as well as Kanban, and you need to have 1+years of experience in computer science fundamentals like object oriented design, data structures and algorithms, problem solving as well as complexity analysis. So as they're hiring for the front end developer, so you need to have at least 2+ years of experience in various front end technologies. So you need to be strong in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you need to have knowledge on the JavaScript framework like React or Angular is needed. So this is the main skills like main tech stack which is needed to apply for this particular role. So coming to the selection process, so there are multiple rounds. So the first round it will be initial HR screening round, and the second will be technical phone screening, and the third round will be the on-site interviews. So these are the main rounds, and within on-site interviews so there will be 4 rounds like coding round, then there will be front-end fundamentals round and the system design round as well as behavioral round. So we shall see in detail about all these rounds. So coming to the interview details, like the first round like initial HR screening round, so in this round the HR will just give a call and they'll just discuss you like your communication skills will be tested and whether you are fit for the role or not. So and your skill sets and your experience details will be checked in this like first round, that is initial screening round. And once you are shortlisted, so there will be second round which is technical phone screening round. So in case of technical round, so it is the remote interview. So initially there will be one remote interview and later there will be on-site interviews. So the duration of this interview it will be around 30 to 40 minutes. So in this like you will be given two coding problems like on core data structures, and so it won't be complex, like it will be medium, and based on your approach towards the problem solving you will be shortlisted for the next round. So the next round it is on-site interview. In this there will be multiple rounds, like first will be the coding round. So in this the complexity of the like complexity will be high, like there will be medium to hard coding questions based on data structures as well as algorithms. So once you clear the coding round, the next round will be the front end fundamentals round. So in this round, the main thing as they mentioned HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you need to be strong in these fundamentals like technically HTML, CSS, various libraries, then DOM, that is documented object model, and like other front end fundamentals. So like around 30 minutes. So duration of this interview it will be 30 minutes. So after that there will be system design round. So in this round like they'll test your ability, like how much knowledge you have on the scalable systems, and even they'll ask you to design an arbitrary scalable system with the low latency based on the inputs. So here you are going to focus on the front end development as well as the user interface design. So these are all included in the system design round. And coming to the last round, so once you are done with all these rounds there will be last round, that is behavioral round. So this will be the last round in which they'll evaluate like whether you will fit based on the Amazon's 14 leadership principles, and also like they'll ask about the projects whatever you have done. So before taking all this round, so you need to do the thorough research on the company and whatever principles and the policy they have. So do research on that and you can just go for this rounds. So this is the complete selection process and the interview details for the Amazon for the front-end engineer. And coming to the second company, that is IBM, and the role they are hiring, it is for back-end developer, and the salary or the CTC they are offering, it is 10 to 15 lakhs per annum, and the experience like the freshers are eligible to apply, and the work location is Bangalore. So eligibility criteria like bachelor's degree in either computer science, computer engineering, like information technology, IT, then electrical as well as electronics and communication. So those who has knowledge on various back-end technologies, so they are eligible to apply. And there is no particular year of pass outs, like anybody can apply for this role. And coming to the skills, like as they're hiring for the backend, you need to have knowledge on various backend skills like programming skills, either Python, Java, or C++. You need to be strong in object oriented concepts and everything. And you need to have good understanding of SDLC, that is software development life cycle, and knowledge of database concepts and technology. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this role. And like as IBM, they have mentioned some of the technical as well as the professional expertise you need to be, like you should have done certification related to like IBM certified. So if you have any of these certifications related to the IBM, so it will be an added advantage for this role. Like networking certification, so there are free IBM certification courses are there. You can just go through the courses and you can just complete the certifications and you can add those certifications, like the Linux related, networking related, and programming. So these are the free courses. You can just enroll for this course and complete it, and you can just add those certifications before applying. And coming to the selection process for the IBM, so there will be 5 to 6 rounds. First will be the online screening round, second will be the coding round, and the coding round, so the platform will be the HackerRank platform, and the duration of the interview, it will be 45 minutes. So you can either code in Java, Python, or C++, whichever you are comfortable in. And once you clear the coding round, third will be the technical interviews. So there will be 2 to 3 technical interviews and followed by HR round. So this is the selection process for the IBM. So coming to the application, so for Amazon you are going to create the separate account and you can just fill all the required details and do upload the updated resume, like whatever skills they have mentioned you can just add those and you can apply. And for the IBM, so do add the certifications for IBM, like IBM certified, so you can add those certifications and you can apply for both of these companies. So the link for both of these companies, so it will be provided in the description. You can apply for these roles. Thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.